Hello, glad you're here. I am Joy Barwella, your teacher for today. In this video, you will learn the basics of MySQL. By the end of this video, you'll be able to select, insert, update, and delete records on database. These are the topics that I need to discuss. Number one is how to use MySQL through XAMPP, how to create database, how to create table, how to insert records to your table, how to display and delete records, how to update values. Some additional topics later on. What you'll be needing here is a desktop, PC or laptop, internet connection to download some components, and your focus mind. So let's stop the hanash and let's start learning. Take note that we need to use two programs before taking actions. One program is XAMPP and CMD. So first of all, we need to download XAMPP. Open your browser, search XAMPP download for Windows. Select the one with 8.0.0. Download this, click the button, and so I will just need to replace this. Wait for the download. After finishing the download, you can now select this. Now let's wait for the setup to show up. Just click OK. Next, click next, next, next. Then wait for the installment to finish. Now after installing XAMPP, you will need to go to the installation folder and find XAMPP MySQL bin. We need to take note of this directory path because we will be needing it later. Copy this. Now open it. You should see this now to your screen. What you'll need to do is select the MySQL, as you can see here, and click the button Start. Now, if this issue occurs to your system, we need to troubleshoot that by going to Services. Yes, type services.msc. Then you need to find MySQL 80. I have MySQL 80 here. We need to try to stop this service to troubleshoot. This will take seconds, just wait. Then press OK. Let's try it again. Click Start. So yeah, I think it worked. You see this message on your screen, it means it is running successfully. The next program that we'll be using is CMD. You just need to press Windows key plus R, then type CMD. Now to change the directory path, you need to type cd ... You need to go to XAMPP folder, XAMPP, MySQL, and bin. Copy the directory path and then paste it to CMD. Type MySQL-u root-p-h then 127.0.0.1. You did not set a password, so you just have to enter it. It should say, Welcome to MariaDB. It signals that you can now use and create MySQL database. So, next that we'll be needing to do is to create database. Type create database, your database name. Now, if it shows this one line, it means that you have successfully created a database. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to select that database by typing use and database name. As you can see here, the MariaDB is not empty already and it shows my database. Now, what we're going to do is to create a table. Topic I chose to input is well-known billionaires in the world. So I just need to type create table, table name, and then field name number 1, data type, and its description. So as you can see on the screen, I put description of null, primary key, and auto increment. So what are these? A null value is empty and it's not equal to everything. Primary key description means you are telling the database to generate or automatically generate values for a specific field. For example, employee ID and student ID. So we use auto increment so that when we add a new record, the count field will increase into 1. Is the name of billionaires. Let's name it name only, and the data type and its value. Age, data type int, only 2. Company, virtual, 20. Let's enter it. Now, if this screen shows you query OK, 0 rows affected, we successfully created a table. Now let's display the table output. We'll just need to type describe the table name. So yeah, this one shows the output of our table. So this means that we successfully made a table. In case you forgot to add one field, you just need to type alter table, your table name, then add plus the name of the field you wanted to add. So yeah, I will use float data type or net worth in billion dollars to shorten the digits. Let's enter and it's successfully created. Then let's describe it again. Now, as you can see here, it added successfully. So next thing that we need to do is the important part, which is inserting records. You can just type here, insert into name of your table, then count, name of your fields, so you just need to type here the name of your fields, name, age, company, net worth in billion dollars. Then values. Here you will need to type the values in each field. Type null for the count field because it's auto-generated. Then type Mark Zuckerberg, the name of billionaire. His age is 43. He owns Facebook Incorporated. Then his net worth 54.7. Yes, enter. Let's try. Yes, it's successfully added now. So I will just be typing other stuff. Now let's check the records. Now that the record is complete, the next thing that we'll do is to modify it. So now I'll be showing you how to delete one record. So you just need to type delete from table name and then where, then the name of the field and the value of the record you wanted to delete. So yeah, in my instance, I wanted to delete Mark Zuckerberg. Enter. Then if the screen shows query OK, one row affected, then it means that something has been modified. So now let's check if Mark Zuckerberg has been deleted. So as you can see here, Mark Zuckerberg is now nowhere to be found. Next thing that I'll be showing you is how to update values. So type update, table name, then set, plus the name of the field equals to copy this and paste, then plus. So take note of this operation, press enter, then let's see again the output, and let's see what happened. So yeah, as you can see here, it increased into $5 billion. So the next thing that I will show you is how to search or find records on your database. So we'll find the name of a billionaire starting with letter J. So we'll just need to type select, name of the field, which is name, then from the table name, then where, and the name of the field again. Then take note of this keyword like, then J percentage. This J percentage basically means that you are finding the rest of the characters. So percentage means the 0, 1, or any multiple characters. So let's see what it will give us. So here, as you can see, the result says Jeff Bezos and Jim Walton has the J on their first name. So yeah, the result is pretty accurate. So the next thing that I'll be showing you is how to display specific records. Find and display the names of the owner of company Walmart and LVMH. Just type select, asterisk, from, then the table name, where, the name of the field, which is company, in, open and close parentheses, then the value of what you are looking for, which is the Walmart and LVMH. Okay, so let's check the result. So as you can see here in the screen, you see the billionaire who owns the company LVMH and Walmart. Next thing that I'm going to show you is how to display the total entries of specific category. Find the number of billionaires who owns the company Walmart. So you need to type select, count, open parenthesis, and asterisk, and close parenthesis, from the name of the table, then where, name of the field, which is company, then the value of that field, which is Walmart. So let's see if that makes sense. So yeah, the screen shows that it counts 3. So there are 3 billionaires who owns Walmart. Another thing that I'm going to show you is how to identify the highest number in a field. So we're going to identify the highest net worth. So let's type again select, max, the name of the field, then as max plus the name of the field from the name of the table, which is table billionaires, then enter. So it accurately identifies the highest amount of net worth. And now for the last part of the tutorial, how to get the total quantity of a specific field. So let's get the total quantity of all their net worth. Now let's type again select, then sum, open parenthesis, then the name of the field of net worth, then close parenthesis, from the name of the table, then let's try to enter it. So yeah, it says here that their total net worth is $706.5 billion. That is all for my tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.